The Automix is a powerful tool that can help both beginner and pro DJs to create seamless and smooth automatic transitions between songs. In this video, we'll be walking you through how to set up an Automix playlist, setting Automix options, how to customize Automix transitions, and how to add effects to Automix. You can use the chapter menu in the description in case you want to skip ahead to a particular topic. The first step in using the Automix feature in Virtual DJ 2023 is to set up your Automix playlist. To do this, simply click on the Automix playlist tab, which is located down here. Now you can add the tracks you want to include in your Automix. Next, you'll want to make sure the tracks are in the order you want them to play in. You can sort them manually by moving each song up or down. You could also sort them automatically using their BPMs. This will make the transitions more smooth. To sort the songs according to BPMs, simply right-click on this bar and select BPM. Now click on BPM and the tracks will rearrange either in ascending or descending BPM. Once you have your playlist loaded, it's time to set the Automix options. You can access the options by clicking on this icon. From here, you can choose how to transition songs by picking your desired Automix type. We have the Smart Transition mode that sets its own transition points in the mix. Here's how it works. Next, we have Fade mode. With Fade, you could either remove the intro and outro of a song, or remove the silent parts. Let's see how it works.
But they don't know what is what, they just strut. What the?
A tiger.
Finally, we have the back-to-back mode. This mode lets the song play till the end, then starts the next song.
They know what is what, but they don't know what.
If you'd like to add a personal touch to your Automix, you can customize your own transition. To customize a transition, we will use the fade in or fade out effect. To do this, open the Automix editor from the Automix option. Now simply click and drag the crossfade handle, which is located at the beginning and end of each song block. You can adjust the length of the fade in and fade out effect to your liking. You can also pick which position on a song to transition from by clicking on a song wave and moving it left or right. It's also important to mention the beat match option. Activating this will cause the songs in the playlist to sync as they transition, which is very helpful for songs with different BPMs. Even with the Automix feature turned on, you still have some control over how the mix sounds. Since the Automix runs on the decks, you can add effects like phaser and beat grid, just as though you were mixing the songs yourself. Additionally, you can also use other features like stems. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we hope this tutorial has helped you get started with auto-mixing using Virtual DJ. Give us a like so the video reaches and helps more people, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tutorials and tips.